It's David from Site3D, and I'm going to show you plan annotation of a road's vertical alignment in Site3D. So we have our road that goes north to south here, and it has some long sectional profile to it. We can see the information for this in the long section with the vertical design on the centerline here, where we have our gradient, hog curve, gradient, sag curve, and another gradient afterwards. If you want to see this information on the plan view, we can do our setting out tools here. And we can go to New Setting Out Table, specify the centerline, and tick the Annotate Vertical Alignment option. Click OK, and then just assign that to the side where we have our standard setting out table, but we now have our long section information shown on the plan view here. So we have our 1 in 40 gradient, our hog curve with a K value written on here, so that means that was assigned with a K value rather than the length. We then have our 1 in 150 gradient, and our sag curve with an L with a 10. So this is our length value. So this curve was specified with the length on here. And then we have our gradient of 1 in 150 to the end. Now this is all dynamic. So if you go into the long section here, and you start making some changes. So if we start pulling this up, you'll see the information is changing. So the length has not changed. The K value has not changed. But we can see that the gradient has now updated, so it's now 1 in 43. It's also got much shorter because the K value has made that curve longer. We can move this up and down, and you can see the annotation changing as you're going. Thanks for watching.